Hey you guys, this is Ashley from Press and Sweet, and I want to show you what I got from Dollar Tree, some rhinestone glue. Wow. And some more types of gems. So that was cool. And today is gonna be recreation of these pretty lemon nails. So I'm gonna get as close as possible. Um as you can see, they're very almondy. Um Pretty much like an oval. They're a little bit more like than almond. It's just oval. So I just use some stiletto nails and just rounding them out, which is kind of how I do anyway because I don't have a lot of oval nails, to be honest. So I just do what I do. So some of these nails are just going to be plain yellow. Try to get as close as the yellow as the picture, and I'm gonna be drawing like a lemon on the side. I try to draw the little green leaves and things like that. And there, I think it turned out to be pretty cool, pretty close, pretty. And that's about it. I hope you guys like what you see and comment what you think. And I'm not gonna be commenting much on the video. You'll see what I do and just tell me how it looks compared to the actual press on nails I showed you from Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna keep this thing going. I like what I do. I like the idea I came up with. I haven't seen anybody really do that, so I like being a trendsetter. Even though I get it, you're supposed to go along with the trends, but I always like being a trendsetter. That's just my personality, um, and I'm gonna keep going till it works for me, or until I get tired of it. So you're gonna see me doing some little artwork, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So like I said, please like, share, and subscribe, and please comment and give me your feedback. And I'll see you in my next video. I said video. In my next video. Bye.